Hey there! I know how frustrating it can be to deal with dark spots and acne scars. I've tested these top 5 serums so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of what really works.
Product number 1. Anua Azelaic Acid 10 Hyaluron Redness Soothing Serum. Let me tell you about my experience with the Anua Azelaic Acid 10 Hyaluron Redness Soothing Serum. Right from the start, this serum caught my attention with its claims of targeting stubborn dark spots while being gentle on sensitive skin. As someone who's dealt with both blemishes and post-acne marks, I was eager to give it a shot. The first thing I noticed was its lightweight, watery texture that absorbed almost instantly into my skin. It felt refreshing and hydrating thanks to the 3 types of hyaluronic acid included in the formula. I applied it in the morning and night, starting with just a couple of drops and gradually working my way up. I loved how it didn't leave a greasy residue, making it easy to layer with my other skincare products. However, what really stood out was the calming effect it had on my redness. The inclusion of cica and blue tansy oil, along with the naturally derived green tint, seemed to work wonders at soothing my irritated skin. After a few weeks of consistent use, I noticed a marked improvement in the appearance of my dark spots and overall complexion. On the pro side, this serum is fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. The non-comedogenic formula means it won't clog your pores, which is a huge plus for acne-prone individuals. However, I did experience a slight tingling sensation when I first started using it, so I'd recommend doing a patch test to ensure it suits your skin type. In conclusion, if you're looking for a serum that not only targets dark spots but also provides hydration and soothing effects, the Anua Azelaic Acid Serum is a fantastic option. It's gentle yet effective, making it a worthy addition to any skincare routine.
Product number 2. CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. Next up is the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. I've always been a fan of CeraVe, so I had high hopes for this one. Right from the get-go, I loved how it combined encapsulated retinol with skin-loving ingredients like licorice root extract and niacinamide. My experience began with a cautious approach, as I was mindful of how my skin reacts to retinol. I started using it twice a week and immediately noticed how it smoothed out my skin's texture without causing irritation. The fragrance-free formula is another win, as I'm not a fan of overpowering scents in my skincare. After about a month of diligent application, I could see a significant reduction in my post-acne marks. The serum helped brighten my overall complexion while refining my pores. The key here was the 3 essential ceramides that work to strengthen your skin's barrier, which I found particularly beneficial during the winter months when my skin tends to get dry. On the downside, retinol can sometimes be drying, and I did notice my skin feeling a bit tight on days when I over-applied. It's crucial to pair this serum with a good moisturizer and never skip sunscreen during the daytime to avoid any sun sensitivity. In summary, if you're serious about combating post-acne marks and improving your skin's texture, the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum is a powerful ally. Its dermatologist-developed formula ensures that it's both effective and safe for your skin, making it a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their skincare routine.
Product number 3. Anua Niacinamide 10 plus TXA4 Serum. Moving on to the Anua Niacinamide 10 plus TXA4 Serum, I was particularly excited about this one. With 10% niacinamide and 4% tranexamic acid, it promised to tackle dark spots while providing hydration. The first thing I noticed when I opened the bottle was how lightweight and watery the serum felt. It absorbed quickly, leaving no sticky residue behind, which made it perfect for layering under my moisturizer. Using it consistently day and night, I started to see a difference in my skin's texture and tone. The dark spots from past breakouts began to fade, and my skin looked more radiant and even. I loved that it was fragrance-free, which is always a bonus for anyone with sensitive skin like mine. The inclusion of ceramides and hyaluronic acid provided an additional layer of comfort and moisture to my routine. However, while I was thrilled with the results, I did find that it took a bit longer than I expected to see substantial changes. Patience is key with serums like this. Additionally, some users may find the consistency a bit too watery for their liking, but I personally enjoyed how easily it layered with other products. In conclusion, the Anua Niacinamide 10 plus TXA4 Serum is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to brighten their complexion and address dark spots. Its combination of potent ingredients makes it effective, while its lightweight texture ensures that it's suitable for all skin types. If you're on the hunt for a reliable daily serum, this one is worth a shot.
Product number 4. Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum.
Now, let's talk about the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. This serum caught my eye because of its impressive ingredient list, featuring tranexamic acid and niacinamide. I was eager to see if it lived up to its promises. Upon application, I was delighted by its unscented formula, which felt luxurious against my skin. I used it twice daily, and it quickly became a staple in my skincare regimen. Within weeks, I started to notice my skin tone evening out, and the hyperpigmentation from past breakouts began to fade. The serum felt very hydrating, almost like a drink for my skin, which was a pleasant surprise. I appreciated that it was gentle enough for daily use, so integrating it into my routine was seamless. One thing to note is that while it worked wonders for my dark spots, I found it didn't do much for my enlarged pores, which was a bit disappointing. Also, while the formula is suitable for all skin types, I recommend doing a patch test if you have particularly sensitive skin. In summary, the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum is an excellent option for anyone looking to target dark spots and uneven skin tone. It's budget-friendly and effective, making it a great addition to your skincare arsenal, especially if you're a fan of clean, cruelty-free products.
Product number 5. Medicube TXA plus Niacinamide 15% Glow Facial Serum. Last but not least, let's discuss the Medicube TXA plus Niacinamide 15% Glow Facial Serum. This serum is packed with a whopping 15% niacinamide and 5% tranexamic acid, which had me intrigued from the get-go. The first time I applied it, I was struck by its lightweight texture that absorbed quickly, leaving my skin feeling soft and hydrated. After a few weeks of consistent use, I noticed a visible improvement in my skin's radiance. It seemed to glow from within, and my dark spots started to diminish. The inclusion of vitamin B12 and 10-layer hyaluronic acid made my skin feel plump and well moisturized, a crucial factor for someone with combination skin like mine. One downside I encountered was that I needed to be cautious about how much I used. A little goes a long way, and overdoing it could lead to a slightly greasy finish. Another thing to consider is that while it worked well for me, the high concentration of active ingredients might not be necessary for everyone. To sum it up, the Medicube TXA plus Niacinamide 15% Glow Facial Serum is a powerhouse for those looking to enhance their glow and tackle dark spots. Its potent formulation promises noticeable results, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their skincare journey.